Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. Today I have a very special guest who's going to let us all know who she is, where she's from and what she does to make a difference in the world. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Olympia Peralta and I'm from Morgan Hill, California in the United States. And I make a difference in the world. I work in a children's ministry called Redemption Kids. We're part of the Church Redemption under Ron Carpenter. And you can check us out on YouTube by subscribing to our channel as Redemption Kids. Thank you so much. We love to share the gospel with the children. And during this time that they're stuck at home, we try to continue to show them positivity, continue to lead them towards God, and to share some positivity and help them to continue to grow in their faith and help them to find something to be grateful for.
I'm sure when they join you, that is exactly what happens. So if anyone wants to be able to join into this online, of course, everything is online at the moment, and you're in California, which means you have great reach around the world to so many people that perhaps didn't know about this. And, you know, if the kids are at home, and it just brings a bit more joy into your life. So I love that we are being able to stream into homes. So how do we find you again, please, Olympia?
Yes, you can go to myredemption.cc/ikids. That's where you can find our website with all our resources. Or on YouTube, you can find us under the name Redemption Kids.
Fantastic. So for all you kids out there who want to have a bit of a fun and make a difference to your week too, please join Redemption Kids. Thank you so much, Olympia. Great to meet you and speak soon.